Do you love graphs and data? Do you love coding languages? Then a career in data science could be for you. Not all scientists spend their time in labs inventing. Data science is about analyzing and interpreting the data to understand the current market trends. Data scientists enjoy working with numbers and derive satisfaction by making sense of chaos. Data scientists handles the data in a structured way to visualize the business trends. They build machine learning models to predict the market growth and also improve business decisions to help the organizations gain competitive edge. To become a data scientist, it's advisable to have maths in grade 11th and 12th, following with a bachelor's degree in mathematics, computer science or statistics. For example, BSc Honours in Maths or Statistics. Recently in India, BTech in Computer Science with specialization in Data Science have also been introduced by prestigious universities. You can also further specialize by doing MS in Data Science. Successful data scientists have a mix of certain personality traits, experience and analytic skills, not easy to find, which makes them valuable resources to organizations. In the last few years, data scientist jobs have topped the list of most recruitment portals. There are also some of the highest paid professionals equally important in business and academic research organizations. Various job profiles include data scientist, data analyst, business analyst, and many more. All the MNCs hire data scientists in the current competitive scenarios. Some of them are Google, Yahoo, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, ZS Associates, Intel, Oracle, IBM, Amazon, all the banking sectors like Bank of America, Pixar, and many more. Average salaries offered in the US range between $6,000 to $10,000 per month. In India, the salary varies between 5 to 10 lakhs per annum for freshers. You can also have your own startup to offer solutions and consultancy to various MNCs and businesses. In India, there are IIT Varanasi, which offers a 5-year integrated program of BTech and MTech, Indian Statistical Institute ISI Kolkata, IIT Hyderabad, VIT Vellore, BITS Pilani, SRM, UPES and many more. In US, the Harvard University, University of Southern California, University of Michigan. In United Kingdom, University of Oxford, University of Birmingham and University of Nottingham. A lot of research work is currently going on in this field. The demand of data scientists is increasing day by day. However, in order to know if the data science is a right career pick mapping to your personality, interests and aptitude, you must take a psychometric assessment and meet our professional career counselors.